After the simulation, don't forget to steer back to straight. This is not straight yet, you need to steer one more. Before you're reversing out, always make sure you're looking around again. You can start it from the left this time, or the right. Just full look around, always. Don't forget to use your signal. And when you're doing this reversing, you need to look back through the rear window. With this maneuver, you can occasionally check left and right, right and left. But mainly, you need to look through the rear window by holding the passenger seat. Make sure you're gonna see the cone in front of you when you start steering left. Otherwise, you can hit the cones. If for any reason, if you're gonna end up on the left side of the road, which can happen at this test center many times, you got 5 seconds to go back to your right side.